no, you got me fucked up.
They about to take you to jail, girl. Yeah. Who gonna bond you out?
Boy, I took wood shop at school.
I really just went to freestyling on them phone.
Hey, I see that because you didn't even go to the line. It's Mama Meka, and I'm so happy. Like, I haven't done this in a while, but I'm happy to be here with y'all. And you know what? Today I said I am just gonna start a vlog. What kind of vlog? I don't know, but I have a task that I want my family to help me with. I have this conference table, y'all. Oh my God, it's super huge. I want to cut it down, I want to reshape it, and I want to paint it. So I said, I'm going to see if my family going to help me. I got to go get a saw. I got to go get real construction worker type of stuff. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to do that too. But y'all think they going to help me? I got to see if they going to help me though. I want them to help me. And then I wanted y'all to be included in on this, because when we do stuff like this, something always happens. So I'm gonna let y'all see how it be going. I'm probably gonna be stressed out. I don't even know why I'm doing this to myself. Turtle be stressing me out like he know everything when I ask him to help me. Myra and Camden just don't care about being neat, but we're gonna do this together. I hope you think they Myra! What you doing? Come here. She ain't doing that but laying down anyway. She was just snoring on this couch. But I'm about to say, you gonna help me? Yeah. Hey, Mirah. What you was doing? Come here. Guess what I'm doing? Vlogging. So we haven't done it in a while. So my question to you is, hey Cam, I was about to call you next. Good girl, y'all, here they go. There goes Cinderella 1 and Cinderella 2. Y'all about to be Cinderella today. I'm just playing. Y'all gonna help me cut my table and paint it and stuff? Yeah. See, come here. That's my baby right there. She said, yeah. Ugly face just frowned up over here. You gonna help me, Myra? I know you just got your nails done and stuff, but you gonna help me? Right.
You don't hear me talking to you?
Ma, no.
Yes, you is.
It's not a question. It was a trick question.
Tell her again. It was a trick question. You thought you had a choice, huh? This is not a democracy. It's not. You thought. We is getting them fingers dirty today. We chopping down some wood. We painting. We finna get it ready. Yeah. Cinderella. She gonna be Cinderella for real today, y'all. Yeah, watch. We're gonna stretch her out. Give her all the hard work. Let's go see if Turtle gonna help me. You think Turtle gonna help me?
No, it's not.
Why not?
I don't know.
Maybe. Hey, that's why I got Churn. That's why I made Churn. Because Churn's supposed to do what I tell him to do. And that's what you gonna do.
But you got a man
And
for that.
that mean I got double the help. A man and Churn.
You got a man for that.
You gonna see. You gonna work that leave out today. Ain't that right, Cam? She gonna work that leave out today.
It's already worked out.
Oh, fuck no. You got me fucked up.
What?
Why are you playing with me, bro?
What?
Bruh.
I'm practicing my airbrush skills.
Turtle, you really tripping. Don't do that. Don't do that, Turtle. Why would you do that? Why? Why? Bruh, I'm finna put this camera down. You really tripping, Turtle.
Look, you don't like that. So you don't like that.
Turtle.
just about to ask, was you gonna help me?
Help you what? We painting it one day.
Cameron.
Cam, look. Big.
Stop for real, Turtle. I'm not playing with you.
Man, why? You got it in my personal space.
Okay, I'm about to get it out. That's what I was.
You've been in here for too long.
All right, I was coming in here to see if you was gonna help me.
I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna use
No,
it.
don't do that. Don't do that. For real. This is my baby. We about to cut this and paint it and sand it. Like, why you doing that? Like, what if that mess up the paint that I'm trying to do and stuff?
If you got it sanded down.
Man, Turtle, you is aggravating. I'm telling you, I better not have no problems. I'm telling you, stupid. That's why I say Big Turk.
Big Turk. Triple OG.
I quit. All right, y'all, we back. I got my 2 slaves with me. You know these slave girls just... Oh, I'm joking. I'm joking. They just call me old.
I did not call you old.
Y'all see they still got their teeth. Cause I am. And if I'm old, I'm a MILF, baby.
Ma, I never said you was old. Mama said you was old. Look, and then when I come up the door to that, we got an old lady to get out the car.
You got jokes, huh, Myra? You got jokes, huh? All right, little leave out.
Oh, baby,
That's her name, y'all. Little leave out. Yo, your leave out old. That's what's old. Huh. Ain't that right, Cam? I don't care. Now, where the old man went? All right, y'all. I'm going to get back to y'all. Hey, come here. Say that to my face. Come here. See, they stay playing with me in the stove. Well, don't say it at all. That's what I said.
You need.
I be what?
In the basket.
I be what? Come here.
The lava lamp. I mean,
Mara be begging for me to beat her.
no lava lamp.
You do.
Hey, camera. Y'all see how she beautiful?
And y'all wonder why y'all always on Myra. Why y'all? Myra is the problem. That's the baby, and that's the problem. See how she think everything funny? You know what? I asked for this, huh, y'all? All right.
I said.
Bye. We'll be back.
All right, y'all. So it's me on the camera. She want to be. How do I look?
I want one that's small.
She put y'all down for no reason. Anyways, but she think I'm finna do this. I mean, I can't do the phone. But yeah, she think I'm finna do this. No, ma'am. But yeah, anyways, I don't know who she thinks she is. But baby, that's not a road. Look at her up here. She was starting with the jokes too. But we'll be back because, yeah, we're gonna be back when I'm at the house in my room, not doing this.
Y'all, for some reason, Myra think that we gotta talk behind her back.
Yes.
We tell her everything and how we feel to her face.
To her face, and she swear to God, we just said this before, just because we could. Look at her.
She ran.
How do you, look.
She looking for love. She looking for love, y'all.
She really is. She was just so mad. We was joking about, what was we saying? We had said something and she got so offended.
She is not like me.
Yeah.
And she
cause she was asking Mama what would she do if a woman come up to Turtle and ask for his number, and then she was like, you gonna bawl your eyes out.
I said, I'm not you. And she was like, Cam was like, good one. She was like, y'all be talking about me behind my back.
Yeah.
Could never.
Would never. What she
talking
at?
about? No, because y'all playing right now. No, we not playing.
Today.
We're not playing. We is serious. She is not one of me.
No,
She talking about I could be. Show me. Look.
There she go right there.
Look, she trying to see if we still talking about her. Where is you going? Where is she going?
Come here.
Come to us.
She running because she know we speak the truth and only the truth.
No, you're not.
Look. Yes, we speaking nothing but facts. All facts, no cap, Myra. What's wrong? You probably mad
You
because
and
it's
your
the
mama
truth.
getting on my nerves.
You mad because it's the truth?
You and your mama
You
getting
mad
on
because
my
it's the
nerves.
truth? Yes. She said you and your mama getting on my nerves. That's what she. What she at? Yeah, she said you and your mama getting on my nerves. Go ahead. Go ahead. Nuh-uh. Go ahead, Myra. Go over there. She talks so much. But we had to just let y'all know what we was talking about and what had just happened. But we gonna be back to y'all. Y'all, this retard is set these people things. You didn't. Is she lying?
Yes, Myra literally walked
Now
over
tell
there.
these people what you just did.
I fell into it.
No, you did not. You pushed that door.
You
Why?
pushed that door.
I see. Get out the store.
I fell
Get out of the
into
store.
it.
They about to take you to jail, girl. Yeah. Who gonna bond you out?
Code 9. Code 9.
We about to go. Stay right there until they come. No, stay right there until they come. Stay right there. I cannot believe you did this.
What did I do?
Put your hand on the basket for the entire time that we don't take it off. When you get home, I need 50 push-ups. No, you're not gonna get them. Why are you playing with me? Watch me. You don't come in here and do that. What is wrong with you?
Into it. What you want me to do?
Keep talking all loud. Watch I grab your mouth up
No,
here.
because y'all keep on
You
saying
didn't
I
fall.
did that. Yes, I did. Cam was about to hit me. I said,
Mama, put your hand on. Put your hand on the.
all right,
Put your hand on the. All right, put it on now.
Yes, sir. She pushed the door.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, don't let her say
I'm
she
sorry.
couldn't do it.
Yeah, right.
That wasn't
Cameron.
an accident.
She gonna do me some push-ups when she get home, sir.
You make them on the fingertips?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Good idea. All right.
oh, you talking too much now.
I can't believe you is a snitch for real.
Because Myra getting on my nerves. I'm going to tell everything that happened. No, what's wrong with it?
Went to jail for real, huh?
Well, you know.
You sure was.
Myra.
I wasn't putting in on it.
Y'all, I'm so embarrassed. I said this day was gonna blow me. Cause your overgrown self did that. Put your hand on the buggy.
I pull the fire alarm.
And you just walked away from us.
I can't reach.
I don't want no part of that.
I thought you was Big Turtle.
I am.
Yeah, whatever. Y'all, oh Lord.
Alright, y'all, so we made it back home.
You got paint up there.
I did not do that if y'all was wondering. Cam pushed me into the little, what is it called? Into the door. So it was like emergency exit, and like, I look so hit, but like, yeah, it was an emergency exit. So like, when you bump into it, it like, beep, 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 and everybody just looking at us. I started screaming whenever it went out because I was like really scared. I feel so embarrassed, like so embarrassed. But yeah, I was supposed to say thank you for help them. No cheese. But yeah, so I'm finna get the camera to my mama and let her talk. Get the camera.
I don't want to talk because I got a headache.
Why?
You.
I didn't do nothing.
Anyways, y'all, Turtle is insisting that we need a protractor. I say we gonna get on here, we gonna measure this thing, we gonna cut this thing, we gonna do it. We gonna do it the hood way. And that's just that on that. Babe, you can use the bottom too. But y'all, I'm gonna let y'all see when we get a little start, you know. Okay, come on, Big Cam. You ain't got your safety goggles on. Back away from the table. Pretty boy, Floyd. He ain't even helping us. Yeah, see, that ain't doing nothing. Press down on it, Cam. Oh, no, bro.
Definitely not the right one.
That is not doing nothing. Turtle. Big Turk sucks. Y'all, we've been trying to get it together. Y'all see my markings? Like, I want to cut the table like this much and make it round, but it ain't gonna be even. We gotta go get so much stuff. I don't even know if we're gonna be finished with this tonight. I know I'm gonna end up by myself because we got one down. My little ugly self meant she was going to her room, huh?
You ain't know
That's all right. I'm gonna go drag about them tracks. All right, y'all. When we get some progress, I'm gonna be back with y'all. Hopefully Cam still be with me, but I'll be back.
You know what line you starting on?
Nope. All right. I'm scared. Ooh, I ain't never worked with a big object like this before. I'm scared. Yeah, I can.
Boy, I took wood shop
Hey,
at school.
I really just went to freestyling on them phone.
Hey, I see that because you didn't even go to the line.
Oh, well. Oh.
You're supposed to go. Hold on, where is it? Yeah.
Boy, I took wood shop at school. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. You got to go to that line. Just cut it. Cut the little
Hey,
edge
back,
off.
shot it.
You gotta come
That
this
thing
way.
was gonna be heavy.
It was heavy, Mara?
My nigga wasn't even that heavy.
My rings
Hey.
hurt.
I just went to
Hey, you
freestyling
probably,
on them phone.
our ink pad ran out, but look, this that line right here.
First of all, the line didn't go nowhere right here. I don't see it nowhere right here.
I know.
So that ain't my fault. That ain't the carpenter's fault.